Steam it inside and you can make such a delicious delicacy. First pick 2 cute potatoes from the tree, then give it a sharpener, and then change the knife to cut into thin and thick slices. After cutting them all, put them in the container and cover them. Steam it for 10 minutes until it's cooked. After steaming, let's mash it and add 2 tablespoons of potato starch to make the smooth dough. Then drag it with your right hand to form strips like this, then pour the water into the kneaded dough. Cook it with oil for 5 minutes. Let it be cooked. Just tap twice on the screen. I wish you good health. Next, put the oil in the pot and add the onion and ginger to fry until fragrant. Then add the chopped tomatoes and stir-fry pig huwto. The soup, then add the prepared green vegetables. Then put the potato strips into the raw friend, turn on the fire and sauté him until fragrant. Then let's start with huwto. Put a spoonful of salt, a spoonful of sugar, and a spoonful of chicken essence, turn on the fire and fry until fragrant. And finally put in the stir-fry good egg potato net, plus you have to do it like me. Oh my god, it's really delicious. The last thing is to pay attention to me.